The 2026 Nissan Maxima is an exciting addition to the Nissan lineup, continuing its legacy as a sporty yet practical sedan. With its sleek design, the exterior showcases a bold front grille and sharp, LED headlights, giving it an aggressive stance on the road. Under the hood, the Maxima is expected to feature a powerful V6 engine, providing a blend of performance and efficiency. This means you can enjoy a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing fuel economy. The CVT transmission offers smooth acceleration, making city and highway driving equally enjoyable. Inside, the cabin promises to be spacious and well-appointed. With high-quality materials and modern technology, an advanced infotainment system will likely include a large touchscreen, smartphone integration, and an upgraded audio system, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. Safety is a top priority for Nissan, and the 2026 Maxima is anticipated to come equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both convenience and safety. The trunk space should remain generous, offering ample room for luggage or groceries, making it practical for daily use. In summary, the 2026 Nissan Maxima is set to deliver a winning combination of style, performance, and technology, appealing to both driving enthusiasts and those seeking a reliable sedan for everyday life. Keep an eye out for more details as the release date approaches. The 2026 Nissan Maxima builds on its sporty heritage while embracing modern advancements. The design elements, like the flowing lines and sculpted body, not only enhance aerodynamics but also give the car a dynamic presence on the road. Inside, the focus on driver comfort is evident. The seating is expected to be plush and supportive, with options for premium leather upholstery. Ambient lighting and a well-organized dashboard create a welcoming atmosphere, making long drives more enjoyable. In terms of technology, the infotainment system is likely to feature advanced connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows for seamless integration with your smartphone, so you can access navigation, music, and messaging easily. A premium sound system is also expected, elevating your listening experience. The 2026 Maxima is anticipated to have various trim levels, catering to different preferences and budgets. Higher trims may offer additional luxury features, such as ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and enhanced driver assistance technologies. On the performance front, the suspension system is expected to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. With precise steering and responsive handling, the Maxima aims to provide an engaging driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway.